A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shoaib Khan and welcome to MaxAfter.com's product tutorial. The product is called Revolution. This whole project is designed in After Effects, so there are no third-party plugins required for this project. Basically, in this tutorial, I'll give you a brief overview about this product. So before starting the tutorial, please be sure to check out the preview video in the preview section of this product. First, let's start with the project panel here. As you can see that this project is 1920 by 1080, which is full HD, and it's 29.97 frames, which could be changed to other frame rates as well. For the record, all my projects are designed, are laid out in this manner. You always see this kind of pattern in the project window. For example, there's images and then the main folder, pre-comps, and these are the two main folders where you change your images and text. And then there's a sound, if there is a sound in the project. As usual, in this project I'll show you how to change the pictures and the text. For changing the text and the picture, I have created two folders, which is replace image here and replace text here. So all the images and text are in these folders, so which could be very easily replaced. So let's say, for example, you go to the first text, which is your text 01 here. So you want to change this text here. For this, we'll go straight into this folder, which is replace text here. So you open this folder and we locate our text, which is replace text 01. So let's double click on it, and when you double click on it, you will notice that it's a simple comp where you just go and double click on the text and change the text. So let's say I write MaxAfter Revolution. And in the description, you can also change the description to whatever you like. Right, anything else? Now that you have changed the text, let's go back to our main comp, which is 001 final. So when we come back to our final comp, we see that our text has been changed. So this is how simple it is. In a similar way, you want to change the image. For example, as we see that this is our second image, because this is the first image, and in the timeline this is the second image that comes in. So let's change the second image. For that, we will go again to the folder that I've created, replace image here, and we come and locate our replace image 2, so which is this. You can see in the pictures as well, so double click on it, and all you need to do is, of course, you'll be importing your own pictures in this folder, images. And since I have few images here, what I'll do is just I'll replace it with the image that is already in here. So for example, I've got this image here, and you see the image changed. So all you need to do is just delete this one and go back to the final. So in the final, that you have seen that all the images have been changed. So in the similar fashion, you can change the images. For example, this circular text is a general text, which is a part of a design. So where you can put a simple, a general text, which will be shown in all other compositions as well. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you is that all these comps are separate comps, which are imported into this file comp. So if you want to make your own, let's say, project, it's very simple. For example, if you go to this folder here, which is main, and you open ring all 01, so this is your one comp, which is all 3D. And for example, if you come here and press C on your keyboard, and then you can just rotate it, So now this is a 3D comp. So basically, let's say you want to make a new comp. What you need to do is you just drag this and bring this into a new comp. So this is your new comp, and if when you turn on the collapse transformation, you'll see that it's a 3D. So then you also add your camera, and then you press active camera, and now let's say you want to change the position of your camera. So now it's like you have got your own project, which is ring all 12. So now let's say you bring another one in, which is this one, ring 02, and then again you press collapse transformation, and let's say you push it back into the Z space. And bring this layer down. And you can also press R and rotate it. So it's there in the space. So you can very easily, animate that. Let's say on frame 1 you are here somewhere. So this is frame 1. You say, if you go to P, position and interest, put a keyframe there, and then we are moving back, let's say here somewhere, and then our target is this one. After this comp, you want to go to this comp, so you press C on your keyboard and bring this in and then zoom in. Right, so let's make it short. Okay, when you see the preview, this is how it looks. So it's like very quickly we have made an animation. So in the same way, you can put all these comps here in the Z space, so that you can animate it the way you like. So that's why I've created the comps in a way that so it's easy for you guys to change it, to make your own composition as well. And also you can import, let's say, this comp, into your own project, and mix it with your project, and then you can create something amazing. So this is also one way of looking into this project. And as usual, sound is also included with this project. So if we go back to our final, the duration is 51 seconds, as you can see. So it's quite an interesting project. So I hope this tutorial was useful, and if you have further questions, please do email me at support@maxafter.com. And once again, my name is Shuaib Khan from MaxAfter.com. Assalamu alaikum.